Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to make a cold coffee. The ingredients are 3 teaspoons warm water, 2 teaspoons instant coffee granules, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 cup of ice, and 6 FLOZ cold milk. It's easier when your coffee, sugar, milk, and ice are ready to go. All you have to do now is mix the coffee base. In a sealable jar, combine warm water, instant coffee, and sugar. Seal the jar and shake well until the mixture becomes nice and foamy. Now fill a glass with ice, then pour the coffee mixture over it. Top it off with cold milk, stir if you like a smooth blend, or leave it layered for that coffee shop look. Add more sugar or milk if you want it sweeter or creamier. Just a pro tip, for extra flavor, sprinkle a little cinnamon or cocoa powder on the top. And that's it guys, your cold coffee is ready. You can drink it with whatever sweet thing you want. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.